It's Chris O. What I'm doing now is cutting the tiles for up that wall, and then we'll slap them up. Then I'll go onto this wall, so I'll do my first row, and then same principle, full tiles, and then my cut. I'm saving all these because they will be my tiles for all the offcuts we'll do here. They'll do in that, around that window, some for my niches. So all those offcuts I'll be using. What do I want? 7. That's 3. Four. Five. 6. Another thing too, people, you always see me using a table. I go into YouTube a lot and see other tilers, and they're all bloody cutting on the floor. Why? Save your back. You cut on the floor, you're a wally. You won't be doing it when you're nearly 68, that's for sure. Okay, we'll see you soon.